Here's meteorologist Tom DeVecchio, your weather authority.
We have mostly cloudy skies as we head on into the afternoon. Clouds a little more prominent than what we thought, but still temperatures are mild. And here's a look at our Dias Auto and Truck weather cam. And you can see already the effects of the warmer temperatures. Got a lot of ponding of water on the ice as the ice starts to melt here. And we're seeing the same thing, a little harder to see, but it's also happening out on the open bay waters. Obviously that'll cause some problems for those who want to venture on the ice because we have some very warm temps today. And tonight it's not going below freezing, so we'll have another day of some above freezing temperatures for tomorrow and probably into early tomorrow evening as well before the colder air finally comes in. But for now, it's a mild one out there. Weather watch is already above 50 northeast, Penn State Barron, Fairview, the Mallories have 53. 45 for Liz and Corey. Edinburgh just passing 50, and we're almost there in Summit. Even the cold spots after a very cold start, now up close to 50. Sagertown, Canada Lake. Kathy in Youngsville, 51. 47 at Westmead, Meadville at 49 degrees. And again, 50 out toward Sagertown. Winds have been gusty. Just heard a good gust hit the building here about 2 minutes ago. Gusts up to 44 miles an hour. We do have a wind advisory for gusts that might get close to 50 for today. Here's a satellite radar composite. Can't see the ice now. That's how thick the clouds are at this point. Given just a little fly in the ointment, this is just how warm we get for today. But we're already at 51, so definitely mild. Flood watch, area flood watch in effect, now including Warren, Bradford, as you figured they would earlier this morning. So everyone is under some kind of flood watch. Already the snowmelt alone is causing some river flooding here in parts of northeast Ohio. We're just going to see these flood warnings pick up in coverage as we head on toward tomorrow. But for today, clouds will stay thick. A couple of showers come in tonight, but really not a lot in consequence. But we'll still get snowmelt because of the very mild temperatures. And as we head on toward tomorrow, here comes the rain. Late morning, heavy at times, and looks like it'll hang around through the evening hours. Changeover occurs to some sleet, but I don't think the temperatures will drop below freezing until after the evening rush hour. Then some snow comes in later on, maybe about 1 to 3 on the ground by Friday. As far as rainfall amounts, if these computer models go true, we could get a total of 1 to maybe 1.5 inches. 2 may be a stretch, but we'll get a lot of rain, and that'll cause some widespread flooding late tomorrow and tomorrow evenings. Partly cloudy, windy, milder today. Highs in the lower to mid-50s. Same forecast on the inland side. And in the Chautauqua-Allegheny area, clouds, some sun, lower 50s. For tonight, no one's going freezing. In fact, everyone's in the 40s. Might not drop below 50 here in Erie. Rain for tomorrow. Could be heavy at times midday into the afternoon. And again, some pretty good amounts even into tomorrow evening before it tapers off. Little freezing mix in the evening. Could get icy tomorrow evening before it goes over to all snow after midnight. As mentioned, 1, maybe up to 3 by Friday morning. But then we get whiplash here back to near 50 by early